The leading rule for a lawyer, as for the men of every other calling, is diligence. Whatever piece of business you have in hand, before stopping, do all the labor pertaining to it which can then be done. Extemporaneous speaking should be practiced and cultivated. It is the lawyer's avenue to the public. Discourage litigation. Persuade your neighbors to compromise whenever you can. Point out to them how the nominal winner is often a real loser. Resolve to be honest at all events. And if, in your own judgment, you cannot be an honest lawyer, resolve to be honest without being a lawyer. Download a copy of the vocabulary guide by clicking on the link in the description below.